Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you how to take screenshot in laptop. Guys, this is a very easy and simple method to take screenshot in laptop. Guys, I hope you are fine and good health. Guys, first click on window key in your keypad or keyboard. Press and hold shift together plus S together. All methods are easy. Then click on S. You can see guys there is open a one window. One window is open here and you can see this plus mark. The rounding all here. You can see. Then you press and hold how much your how much you covered your area like this. You can see I have covered this only. You can see this. I want to see that this only, then I will take it. Screenshot has completed. Then retry again. Window plus shift plus S. Now you can see. And guys, I hope you are understand what I am telling. And you have to see where is saved photos or screenshot. I, in next video I will tell you how to see screenshot are where or photos are where saved. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.